We are finally here in Montreal. Montreal is such a beautiful city, and every time I come here, it really feels like a little glimpse of Europe, in my opinion. We spent majority of the day just eating, exploring, and trying to cool off since it was extremely hot in Montreal. We are in Montreal. We were trying to enjoy everything, but it got so hot. We are here exploring. Our next snack of the day is Sammy's soup dumplings, and this is kind of like a classic spot to go to in Montreal. And honestly, it was super juicy. The skin isn't the thinnest, however, they are such a consistent chain. This is the third matcha of the day. The whole crew has finally arrived, so we decided to grab a late dinner as well as some dessert. And this is actually our second day here. Yesterday we were just out and about exploring. Now it is matcha time. We're like the first ones up out of everyone. So yeah, we just figured we're just gonna explore a little bit and grab a matcha. The first matcha spot we are hitting up is called Green Drip. It is really, really new. I think they're just like sorting some stuff out, but I got the coconut milk matcha and I quite like the hint of coconut in there. It's just yeah, the place is just really new, so they're just figuring things out right now. But cheers. So we are actually in Montreal with a bunch of friends. We are here for ilesoniq, which is a music festival, and yeah, a lot of us are here, which is super exciting. And we're just gonna hang out, enjoy the festival, and probably just explore a little bit of Montreal. We originally wanted to go to this hand-pulled noodle place in Chinatown. However, the wait was just extremely long, so we opted for this restaurant instead.
sing it.
I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now.
This is our final day in Montreal, as well as our final matcha spot. We got a soft serve matcha ice cream, as well as the mochi cookie. And the mochi cookie was definitely the highlight. We ended up buying a few more for our friends to try because it was just that delicious. Got my matcha. This place I really wanted to check out. Had some friends go there. And honestly, I feel like the matcha is not bad. The mochi matcha cookies were actually very delicious. Highly recommend getting that one. So it is Friday and I'm currently on my way to a girlfriend's house. We are just gonna hang out with her and her baby. That's what we are going to do. I think we were supposed to go to the zoo today, but it's rainy, unfortunately. So we are gonna go to the mall instead and probably hit up a cafe close by. It is so hard to get a reservation at this restaurant. We're here at DOPO. We just got a variety of dishes because of all the hype surrounding this restaurant. I did have really high expectations. However, I did feel like it fell a little bit short, but I will definitely be open to coming again to try their next seasonal menu. Hello everyone. I am attempting to vlog again because I've been sucking at it, but I'm going to Hiipot to eat. It's kind of like a big way where you just like grab all your ingredients and they wait for you. Super excited to eat. I am starving. We are here at Hiipot and there is such a wide variety of toppings to choose from. They even have a big selection of noodles. This is what I got for my hot pot, and they even have a big selection for the sauce station, which was really nice because there are some other similar hot pot places that don't provide this. Got the collagen broth and it was so delicious. I'm actually quite amazed. It is very comparable to Big Way.